Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. Hello Ankit, how are you? What is the work of a full stack engineer, cloud management and operations? So Ankit, nowadays they have started using this term called full stack engineer, and what it means to be a full stack engineer is that you know how to do software development with front end technologies. Okay, there are quite a few front end technologies like um, Django in Python, you have React JavaScript, you have Angular JavaScript, Vue JavaScript. Okay, so any front end technology in Java, there will be Spring Hibernate, which will have some front end technology. Okay, in .NET, it can be ASP.NET. Okay, or if you're building a Windows Form application, then it will be the Windows Form developer. Okay, so there is front end technologies, then there is back end technologies. Okay, back end technologies, when you talk about front end technologies like React JavaScript, with that some back end technology, right, Express JavaScript or Node JavaScript is used, which will work as a back end technology, which will work as a technology which will connect the front end with the server. Okay, and then you have database technologies. Okay, you may have a MySQL database or you may have a MongoDB database. So person who knows all these is a full stack engineer. Okay, usually what happens is that depending on where you are joining, if you are joining a service based company, then within a service based company you may have a project where you are using all these technologies, whatever full stack technology you are using, to develop all the layers of the software. Okay, if you are in a product development team, then again within a product development team you may be working on all the layers of the software to build a certain product or to build a certain application. Okay, as far as work is concerned, okay, a software engineer's work in the most simplest form is to build application. If you think about the last delivery of a software engineer, then a software engineer's delivery includes delivering a software application. Now, for that, what you have to do, maybe you even have to, whether you have to do the coding, or sometimes you just have to do the business analysis and decide what kind of a design you are going to do, and then coding somebody else will do. What kind of work, that will depend from project to project, the exact work you are going to do. But the final work, the ultimate work of any software engineer, whether he's a full stack software engineer or whether he's a data engineer, whether he's a web development engineer, any software engineer, his responsibility is to deliver a software application. Okay, now this can be a full-fledged software application, or this can be one small part within an existing software. Okay, for example, if you are working for Facebook as a full stack software engineer, you are, if Facebook is already there, the product is already there, which means what, you are going to work on small modules within Facebook, depending on whatever project you have been assigned. Okay, so it is very difficult to say at any given point of time what is the software engineer going to work on. It is very difficult. Even for the project team, it is going to be difficult to say. Usually, the team will come up with a list of activities which are required for the project, list of tasks which are required to be done for the project, and then the team will start picking up each task depending on their skills and ability to do those tasks. Okay, initially if you are a fresher, you may be doing some simple task, maybe you will just write one function, maybe you will be debugging the code, maybe you will be correcting or refactoring the already existing code. something you will do within the project depending on what the project manager is allocating to you. Okay, so as far as a full stack developer is concerned, a full stack engineer is concerned, he is supposed to know all the layers of software within that particular software stack, and he should be able to work on front end or back end or database as the work is available. Is that okay? So whatever work is available as per that, the um, as per that, the full stack engineer should be able to work on. Is that okay? Okay, let me know once you start working. Did this help you? Because according to me, this is the definition of software. When I used to hire a lot of software engineers, a lot of times I would have an idea that this is the work I'm going to give, but until and unless the project is decided, until and unless the roadmap for the project is decided, until then you don't know exactly what the software engineer is going to do. Okay, but yeah, it will be some form of coding. All of you who are still watching this video, like this video so that YouTube algorithm will spread this video. Subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed, and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates when I'm going live. Thank you very much and see you in the next live.